Hey, what's up guys, I'm your host ICO Corner back with another video. So in this channel I show you how to make money with the help of cryptocurrency. So if you love crypto and want to make more money from it, please subscribe to my channel. So stay until the end of this video to get complete information about this cool project that we'll be talking in few minutes. So let's get straight into the video. So in this video we'll be talking about EuroXB.finance. So EuroXB.finance is a very cool DeFi project that aims to bring a stable coin from a 40 trillion market, and this will be giving you 7% per annum interest for just holding your EuroXB token in your Ethereum wallet. This is a very cool feature of this project that you will be receiving 7% per year for just holding your crypto there and without any locking period. This is a very cool investment process. If you want to just hold your cryptocurrency and want to generate a passive income, you can hold EuroXB in your Ethereum wallet or any other Ethereum based wallet and you will be generating 7% per year. So this is a really good percentage of income for just holding your cryptocurrencies there. So this is a really a risk-free process for holding your cryptocurrency and earning passive income. So this is a stable coin and you'll be not getting any loss from it, and main feature is that it is a stable coin, and so its value will be nearly about $1 throughout. So you can invest in EuroXB and earn a 7% passive income per year. You can watch a small overview video by just clicking on this overview tab. In few minutes we'll be talking about a new liquidity event that is currently ongoing, so make sure you don't miss out that part. So here are some cool features about the EuroXB.finance, that is decentralized real world reserve and earn interest in your wallet. So you just have to hold your EuroXB stablecoin and you'll be getting 7% per year in your Ethereum wallet without locking into any smart contract. So this is a really cool thing for just holding your cryptocurrency there and earning interest passively. So if you want to purchase EuroXB token, it is already listed on Uniswap and it is around €1 will be giving you 1.18 USDT or currently 1.17 USDT. They have already really good liquidity, around 1 million in liquidity has been locked, and here you can see 24-hour trading volume is around 3,359 USD. So you can purchase your EuroXB token from here. I'll be giving you the link for the Uniswap in the description box. Please make sure to check the description box if you want to purchase EuroXB. So here is how they have distributed EuroXB token amongst them. Total of 100 million EuroXB token has been distributed, and out of which 53%, that is 53 million, is given to institutional wallet funds, 21 million is given to mandate liquidity funds, and 10% is given to Atomic Swap wallet, and 1% is kept for founding team funds, and 15%, which is equal to 15 million, is given to other bond holders fund. So this is how they have distributed 100 million EuroXB token. They have also their XBE governance token. XBE governance token is an ERC20 token that affords the holder right to vote and earn reward fees from staking. So they have already launched their XBE token liquidity event, that is a governance token, and I'll be giving you brief information about their liquidity event in few minutes. Total supply of XBE token is around 15,000 token, and out of which 20% is kept for the treasury and 80% is distributed among liquidity supplier. So here is their big liquidity event that has already started on 2nd April 2021, and here is how they are going to work in this liquidity event. Around 2.5 million USD reward program of 1000 XBE token is currently live, and main cool feature of this liquidity event is that you will be receiving 1500% APY throughout this liquidity event, which has been started on 2nd April 2021 around 9 AM UTC. So if you want to participate in this liquidity event, you can participate from both Uniswap as well as on SushiSwap. Around 500 XBE token has been allotted to each pool. So 500 token has been allotted to Uniswap pool and 500 token has been allotted to SushiSwap pool. This event will be live for 10 days, and every day 100 XBE token will be awarded between Uniswap and SushiSwap pools. So on Uniswap you can see 1 XBE token is around 2088 USDT, which is a really good price. So if you want to participate in the liquidity event, you just have to follow these rules that has been listed over here. You have to follow each and every rules for participating in the liquidity events. And one important thing is that you won't be able to withdraw your liquidity tokens, that are LP tokens that you take for participating in the liquidity event. You will be just receiving the XBE reward daily that you can withdraw on daily basis. So if you want to sell your reward on daily basis, you can do it, but you cannot withdraw your LP tokens till the event ends on 12th April 9 AM UTC. So here are the links for both the pool, Uniswap pool and SushiSwap pool. Event has been started on 9 AM UTC April 2nd and it will be ending on 12 April 2021. So if you want to participate in the liquidity event, you have to come over your EuroXB app and you have to scroll down to provide liquidity, and you have to just click on this add liquidity tab. If you want to participate over Uniswap or SushiSwap, you have to just click over here on whichever platform you want to participate, and you have to click approve if you are willing to lock your liquidity for 10 days or the rest of the days that have left. Around 6 days are left for the liquidity event to end. It will be ending on 12 April 2021, and you can withdraw your rewards on daily basis, or you can convert it to USDT or hold for future purpose. As I am highly confident that XB token and Euro XB token will be doing a really great in future, as function of working is really cool, and I personally like this project, and I am going to participate in the liquidity event really soon. You can approve your LP tokens from here and withdraw your earnings from here too. And main cool feature of this liquidity event is that you will be receiving 1500% APY throughout this liquidity event. In both Uniswap and SushiSwap, around 2.5 million liquidity has been locked by the liquidity provider, so their community is very much interested in this liquidity event. So if you are planning to enter in this liquidity event, I recommend you to enter it right now. So if you want to read the contract of EuroXB.finance, you can read it over here, and they have already done the audit of their contract, so you can review the audit also. And if you want to check out their blogs and GitHub, you can follow this link, getting complete information by going through this link. And you can also get in touch with the team by clicking on this get in touch tab, and you can also follow them on various social media like Twitter, Discord, Telegram, LinkedIn, YouTube, and various other social media links have been provided here. So I recommend you to check out the liquidity event. It is a really cool event that is currently ongoing. Around 2.5 million USDT what reward has been provided for this liquidity event in just a matter of 10 days, so you can earn a really good passive income for just providing the liquidity. So if you want to participate in the liquidity event, I'll be providing you with the link in the description box, so you can check out the description box and go through the links provided there. So I highly recommend you to go through the terms and condition and privacy policy. As I am not a financial advisor, don't rely completely on me. Do some of your own research before investing in any project in cryptocurrency. But I highly recommend you to participate and check out their liquidity event, and you can earn a good profit from them. So this was all about today's video. If you like this video, please like, share and comment on this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.